So guys, I got another graphics card. Hey, thanks for clicking on my video. 𝗧-𝗦𝗛𝗧 here, and I thought we'd do a quick sort of unboxing video while I talk about 2 more ways I've learned about how to purchase graphics cards. So let me get this package started as I start speaking. So the very first thing is, if you're really desperate for graphics card right now, you know, local ads, you know, like used cards, that is still a viable option for finding cards. Yeah, they might be used or the prices might be scalped, but also keep in mind that you can also negotiate the price when you meet them. Just be sure that you're safe, keep your distance, all of that stuff. Other than that, the main sort of tactic for finding graphics cards, and this is for finding brand new graphics cards at retail price. And that's not how I got this card, because I got this card using the tactics I talked about in my previous video. So you should go and watch that video after this one if you haven't already. But the technique I have just learned is basically what you do is you find the main web pages of your local computer hardware stores. And what you do is you find their category for graphics cards. You make sure you set up a filter in like their product filtering, where you select all of the graphics cards you're interested in, and then you check the little like in stock checkbox. So probably you'll get a list of 0 graphics cards. And what you'll then have to do is you'll have to find a auto refresh plugin for your browser. Now just make sure you're getting a trustworthy one. I'm not gonna recommend one because I can't vouch for any of them because I haven't tried any of them long enough. But make sure you find one, preferably with notifications as well, and then just keep tabs open of those pages of the computer hardware resale stores that are local to your country, and then just let them sit there and auto refresh. And every once in a while, as and if they get a card into stock, you should be getting a notification. And when you do, you know, you can either try and go in and purchase that card, and you know, good luck, you might be successful. That's how many people are successful in finding cards right now. But the main thing I want you to sort of keep in mind with this is that usually these resellers, they have sort of a schedule of when they list new products on their page. So what I've found is a local computer hardware store in my country, they seem to always drop new graphics cards just after 8 AM every morning. So I don't have to sit there and refresh the page all day every day. What I can just do is I can go in a few minutes before 8, start my auto refresh, and after a while a new graphics card will pop up as in stock, and that's how I can go in and then purchase it. So that is it for how to purchase graphics cards currently. And now all that's left is to keep unboxing this 1660 Super. Got a nice envelope here with some paperwork, more paperwork, and finally the only thing we're really interested in, brand new 1660 Super, purchased in April of 2021. Forget that it's April now. There it is, guys. Let's do the Yeah, there it is in all its glory. An MSI 1660 Super, brand new at retail price from a local store in April of 2021. And that's it for this video. Please give the video one of these if you don't mind. It really does help out and it means a lot to me. And also please subscribe to the channel. I got a lot of videos coming up about mining, finding graphics cards, overclocking, you name it. So subscribe for that, like the video, and thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye, bye bye.